Hi, I'm Ina Calder with the InDe'B Quilt Shop, and I'm here to show you this absolutely gorgeous, beautiful quilt. Um, I don't know about you, but sometimes you work really hard on a quilt, and you work really hard, and you put everything together, and all you see are like the individual pieces, and that's all you see. And then you get to put it all together, and all of a sudden it just pops, and it becomes this gorgeous thing that you've been working on that you didn't know you were working on. So this is the American Sweetheart quilt by Cut Loose Press, and this is your pattern. It comes like this, and it shows you all the different blocks to make. I wanted you to notice that these two are the only like true log cabin. The rest of these are all courthouse squares. And a courthouse square means that maybe you can see it on this one here, that you put it on the top and the bottom at the same time, and then you put on the sides, and then you cut. That's the difference between this and this. In this one, you're going to start with your center, and then you start with one here and one there. And then there is one here and one there. So when you're doing a log cabin, you're going to do the pieces on the sides, those two colors first. You do the two white colors, then you do the two blue colors. So you want to pay close attention when you're putting these blocks together to really look at how they are put in there, so that you get the quilts the right way of how you want them to be. So the blocks all look right, okay? So when I do a log cabin, no matter which piece I'm starting with, the centerpiece or whatever, I'm going to use a long strip of whatever it is I am, because you're using all the same width of the strips. So you just kind of according to whatever it says, and it depends on which size of log cabin tool you're using, depends on which width you cut these, okay? And then I put mine on, and I just line them right up, and I just zip all the way down. I just keep doing the whole width of because you're cutting width of fabric strips, and you just cut them all the way there. Then I lay them down, and I just cut, and it doesn't matter to me if it's like been all squared off or not, because at the end you're going to square everything up. Here's another fun thing about doing log cabin or any of these other ones, is that when you have a square like this, and I don't know if you can see the difference, but this one is pretty much squared on. I did a really great job on that one. This one is a little wonky, okay? But it doesn't matter, because you square them all up, and the wonkiness just gives them a little bit more character. And so you get to have a little bit, a little bit more character in your blocks. And that's what's the fun of that's the fun of making this quilt. Really, really a lot of fun. I just used different white-on-whites that we have in our shop. I used these blues that we all have in our shop, and they just went together to make beautiful blocks. Just gorgeous block. And I love the intensity that like the dark ones all give. I like the brightness of the blues of these ones. These are all batiks, and all that you have there. We have also a bunch of reds, and I didn't use this one and this one in. No, I did. I used this one and this one. I didn't use this one or this one, but I'm wishing I'd picked up all of these reds, because I would have had so much fun really mixing up the reds in the heart place of it, but just really fun. So I invite you to take a little, to go in and look at some of these fabrics that we have on sale in our 4th of July sale, where you get 30% off, okay? And go, get some of those things, get the pattern, and make this beautiful, gorgeous quilt. So this is American Sweetheart by Cut Loose. Don't forget to like our page, that helps us. Don't forget to subscribe, that also helps us. And if you want to know whenever we have any videos, just make sure you hit the the little bell, and change it to all. And so that would be, a lot of fun. And then you'll know when we're on live again. So thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to pick up your 4-inch log cabin ruler. This is what it looks like. And it tells you every step of the way, round 1, round 2, round 3. It shows you all the different things that you can make, the different blocks you can make here, and how wide your strips are. And you'll need the instructions that come with the ruler to make the quilt. Okay, so have a great day, and I'll chat with you later.